if a coin-sized black hole materialized nearby, what would happen to you? Simply put, you would perish. The long answer is that it varies. Is it as wide as a coin, or does it have the bulk of a coin? Assume a coin weighing roughly 5 grams suddenly collapsed into a black hole. The radius of this black hole would be around 10 to the power of minus 30 meters. In contrast, the size of a hydrogen atom is around 10 to 11 meters. Thus, the black hole is the same size as an atom in relation to the Sun. Really little. Furthermore, a tiny black hole's lifetime would be unbelievably brief due to Hawking radiation loss. In 10 to the power of 23 seconds, the little mass it possesses would radiate away. The 450 terajoules of energy that are released from its 5 grams of mass will cause an explosion that is almost 3 times larger than the combined explosions of the atomic bombs that were unleashed on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. This is it. You are dead. The coin is also lost to you. The black hole would be far more gigantic if it had the diameter of a typical coin. A black hole the size of a nickel would actually be marginally more massive than the Earth. Its surface gravity would be billions of times stronger than that of our planet. Its tidal pressures would be so powerful that they would tear apart each of your cells. You would be swallowed by the black hole before you even knew what was going on. The way you would perceive the phenomenon of gravity near such dense things would be significantly different, even if the rules of gravity remained the same. The entire observable universe is subject to gravitational attraction, with gravity decreasing with increasing distance from an object. Your head and your toes are roughly the same distance from Earth's core at this moment. On the other hand, your feet would be hundreds of times closer to the center of a nickel-sized black hole, and the gravitational force would rip you into a billion pieces, since it would be tens of thousands of times stronger than the force pressing against your head. With you alone, though, the black hole would not stop. Today, the black hole dominates the Earth, Moon, and black hole of death systems in terms of gravitational pull. One may assume that the black hole would approach the planet's core and eat it from the inside out. More frighteningly, the Earth actually pushes up onto the black hole and starts to bob around as if it were orbiting it, with large portions of its mass being devoured with each pass. The Earth collapses into a shattered disk of molten rock that surrounds the black hole in a tight orbit as it is consumed from the inside out. By the time the black hole finishes feeding, its mass will have gradually doubled. The orbit of the Moon is currently extremely elliptical. The implications for the solar system are tremendous, that is, terrible in the biblical sense of the word. The black hole's tidal forces would likely smash into the near-Earth asteroids and possibly even some of the asteroid belt, sending material hurtling across the solar system. For a few million years to come, bombardment and its impacts might become routine. Although they are somewhat jostled, the planets mostly remain in their current orbits. The black hole that once housed Earth will now carry on its orbit around the Sun. Here, too, you pass away.